2 breasts, 4 meals. Breast these days are massive, so these could easily become 4 meals for a single person. Just start right there about midway through, hand flat on top, and just slowly cut right down the center. Butterfly and slice. And then we have 2. Do it one more time. Start right there about dead center. Chicken piccata, chicken nuggets, a chicken salad, and a chicken sandwich. 2 tablespoons of flour to 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper or lemon zest. Depending on how lemony you like it, pour to your heart's desire. Dredge your chicken on both sides, making sure to pat it in so that it's all nice and covered in this flour mixture. You can grab one of these ready pastas or boil 4 ounces in your pan. Our pasta's done, so let's go ahead and get that plated. Turn the stove on to about an 8. A couple tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter. Now we add our chicken. See how it's white about halfway up that chicken? That's when you know it's time to turn it. And look, it's beautifully golden on that side. That's done. Add it to our noodles. And then to the pan, we're going to add a quarter cup of white wine. Deglaze the pan and get up all those yummy brown bits. 1/4 cup lemon juice or the juice of half a lemon. Stir together, reduce heat to about medium-low, and cook for about 5 minutes. To cook it down, it'll thicken slightly from the oil and butter that are still in the pan. Put the chicken and noodles back in and soak up all that good sauce. Get everything mixed around and then go ahead and plate. A lovely bed of noodles for that chicken to sit upon. Perfectly juicy, perfectly cooked chicken piccata for 1. Cut the breast into 4 slices and then cut those into chunks about 1 inch big. 2 tablespoons of flour to 1 teaspoon of chili powder, about a half teaspoon of cumin, and 2 teaspoons of paprika. Mix this well with your fork. You could do this in a Ziploc bag, but for me, I find this way gives me much more control. So whichever way you choose, go ahead and get your chicken all covered. Add a couple tablespoons to vegetable oil and set your pan to medium-high around an 8. Nice and white on the edge. That's how you know it's time to flip. Because these are small, they cook really fast, about 3 minutes aside. Once they're all golden and pretty, go ahead and plate. Pop in your favorite dipping sauce, perfectly cooked through, beautifully juicy. Chicken nuggets for 1. Next up is the chicken salad. I'm using the Smokehouse Chop Kit from Fresh Express. Don't worry, there'll be no waste. We're going to be using the rest of this on the sandwich we have planned. Grab out our goodie bag, set it aside for the moment. Put about half of this into our bowl. Now from the kit, we'll be using the croutons, cheese, and half the dressing. The trick with these, put the dressing on first. That way the goodies have something to stick to, and they'll all end up at the bottom of your salad. And we're going to use about half the dressing. That on there. We're just going to roll this back up like so, put a clip on it, and drop it back into our bag for our sandwich. Add the cheese, croutons, give it a good mixy mix. Our chicken we're going to be grilling today. So first we're going to make a little rub for it. We've got chipotle, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, cumin, a little bit of extra smoke to go with that salad. Again, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. And then coriander, and same, just about 1/8 of a teaspoon. Get those all mixed up, put it on our chicken, give it a good rub, flip it to the other side, and it's all rubbed and ready for the grill. It's hot, I don't want to go outside, so today George Foreman is the grill of choice. Gonna go ahead and pop our chicken breast on there. While that's grilling, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my cutting board to get any raw chicken off of it. Because I made the fillet so thin, this was done in about 3 minutes. Look how golden beautiful that is. Get this cut up into squares, go into our salad. Look at that, perfectly cooked through and still nice and juicy. Chicken's all nice and cut up, and into our salad it goes. Another quick stir, and a beautiful chicken salad for 1 with all 4 food groups. And those spices with that smokehouse bacon dressing. Mwah. We'll be grilling this and putting a small rub on it, consisting of about a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, an 1/8 teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of cilantro, an 1/8 teaspoon of ancho chili powder. If you don't have ancho, you can use regular chili powder on. Mix that up and flip it and get the other side and give our chicken a rub. And there we go. It's too hot to be outside grilling, so today, George Foreman, pop that on there. It should take anywhere between 4 to 6 minutes. All about no food waste. And being single, you can't buy like a roll, but you can. Go to your deli and ask them if you can just buy a 6-inch roll from them. I have yet to be told no. Is it possible to buy one of your sandwich rolls? That or go to a local bakery and see if they have rolls to sell. While that's cooking, we'll go ahead and make the sauce for our sandwich. Got the mayonnaise. Love me some Dukes. Out west, best foods. Just a heaping teaspoon, which we're going to add the rest of that salad dressing from our salad. Get all that bacony goodness in there. Just like that. Put that on our roll. Going to put that on one side. And then to the rest of it, we're going to add the rest of our lettuce. Get that all soaked up with the rest of our sauce. Go ahead and get that put onto our roll. Go ahead and grab our chicken, nice and golden. Go ahead and pop that onto our sandwich. And you don't need to buy full packages of cheese. Happy Deli give you exactly how many you need for what it is you're making. 2 sandwich slices of Gouda, please. Get our top on there. And 1 beautiful chicken sandwich. 2 breasts, 4 meals, no food waste. Cooking when single isn't hard, but it can be fun. And so delicious. Hit that subscribe button for more.